Hi everyone. Let's talk about our venture journey. We named Planet Out and we are like an AI productivity assistant for ADHD. Our team formation, we are really proud to introduce our dynamic team. Azad is in his final year of his paid PhD program focusing on autonomous AI. And he also brings a personal insight into ADHD, which is really important for our project. Maximilian, me, a senior with a specialization in finance, provides the business part that keeps our operations grounded and focused. Alejandro is a senior, applies his computer science expertise to the development of our mobile application. Together, we have complementary skills, which builds or creates a strong foundation for innovation and practicability, driving our project forward with a balance of technical knowledge and real-world understanding.
So let's talk about how we got to the idea. So when we formed the team, I first proposed our idea because I have ADHD, as Max said, and I have used some of the apps before, and I've also done ADHD coaching. I've always found like there is something missing, and there might be some tool that can actually make much more help. That can be much more helpful. So that's why I posed the idea, and both Max and Alejandro was like really receptive, and that's how we started working on it. After that, once we fixed the idea, we come up with all our early hypotheses. We analyzed and brainstormed about the pains and gains. We developed a customer archetype, analyzed the market, what other apps can provide, what are the gaps, what the coaching can provide us, what the gaps are. We then designed like some solution. And then we also really focused on what our app can provide that the other solution can't. So we really had some hypotheses about what are our selling points, and then we can move forward with that. After that, like we started analyzing our customer to actually starting to validate our hypothesis.
As Azad said, we start getting to know our customers. Through a series of interviews, we began to understand the diverse needs and pains, which are really diverse, as we learned. We'll discuss the challenges we faced in reaching our interviews. So that was a big problem at first, but we started and we handled it, and how we are addressing them to ensure we have a comprehensive view of our customer experience. This insight is really crucial for tailor our services to better meet the specific requirements of our users. We've also found out that there are really diversity of needs and diversity of pains. So the one interviewee has a big problem with like time management and starting the day. Another one has like problems with reminders, and so we learned about their specific needs, specific pains, and we have to focus them individually. After that, after we learned our customers, we're starting to go in action. We start to testing, learning, and actions. We have like the learning card, the action cards, and then we also start doing our marketing campaigns. And with that, we have like a lot of struggle. Let's talk about our first Instagram ad. We have like a conversion rate, I think about 1 for $20. So it was a big failure, but we learned from it. And we also then started with our landing page. And then we also had like the point, actually we addressed to concept of like wearing many hats, highlight the flexibility and the customization of our service to meet the diverse roles and responsibilities that our users juggle every day.
So after that, once we had like some hypothesis tested and validated, we started working on our MVP. So basically our app is supposed to be an AI assistant that interacts with the users via chat. But for our MVP, what we did, we signed up an account in Instagram, in WhatsApp, and Facebook Messenger. And actually we became the bot. So basically we interacted with the users via text and with the help of ChatGPT. The main questions and hypothesis we wanted to test with our MVP is like, is chat is a good mode of communication with the user, and do the user feel comfortable talking about their plans, like, and discuss it with the AI to come up with schedules. And what we found that like people are really comfortable chatting with AI. Like it didn't seem like a big the big bottleneck. People actually talked about things and like discussed their plans, and we could help them break it down and generate like automatic schedules. And people kept coming back to use it for the following day. And another challenge that we faced with our MVP is that some of the custom clients, they wanted to give us to give like a reminder at particular times, but as we were manually doing this, we really couldn't do that. So that was one challenge that we faced with our MVP. But we saw that like our MVP actually can meet the necessity of the users, except like the reminders. And just to wrap things up, like we are really excited to share like our journey, and we had like some good learnings that were definitely going to help us moving forward. Like we found the importance of like the agile methodology, how we can, and the importance of test, like how we can like validate our ideas and then iterate over them to make them better. We understood like how important team dynamics can be and how important being motivated can be. The most challenge I think we found in our app is like the marketing. Like we still think we need to run more tests to figure out how we can cheaply reach to our customers and how we can scale our MVP. But at the end, like I think like we are very excited about the traction we got, and we definitely think we are seeing some signs of life, and that's really encouraging for us to move forward with our project. Thank you very much.
Thank you.